So the last sander we've got to run through is the Orbital Sander. So installing the sandpaper, you can see now the Orbital Sander operates from this pad rotating around in an orbit fashion like that. So there's actually a pad that comes installed. So as you can see, the pad comes off if it ever needs to, but you need to have the pad on the machine. And then the sandpaper has got adhesive or glue on the back. So just peel off the backing paper, line it up neat. And that's the sandpaper installed. Tilt the machine back up. Now, if during transportation the handle has been removed, similar to the drum sander, it's just a case of installing the handle, although here's the knob to make sure it's all secure, nice and tight. Also, don't forget the power cord at the back. Just ensure it's twisted so it's locked in nice and tight. So the handle, as you can see, is straight upright, so chances are for transportation it'll be in that position. But on the right hand side of the unit here, just when the machine's down on the floor, it's easy to do it with your foot. Just foot down, and that'll bring the handle back and bring it into operating position. Lastly, we've got the installation of our dust bag. So just lower the cage here. Again, bust open the little paper flap there, and the rubber sleeve goes over that fitting there. And that cage stays down to help support the bag once it inflates when the machine's in operation. When you hire an Orbital Sander from Kennards Hire, it comes with this extra weight. When you're sanding brand new timber floors, you probably don't need it, but when you're sanding up old existing timber floors and you need a bit of extra abrasive power, that's when you lift the weight and install it on the machine. Easy as that. To operate the machine, it's just a simple case of hitting the toggle power switch. Don't forget, as soon as you hit the switch, it's going to start sanding, so you need to make sure you start moving immediately. That way you don't over sand in the one spot. So there you have it, how to set up and operate a floor sander. Don't forget, the team at Kennards Hire are there to help in terms of advice on the equipment to use for your particular project, and especially when it comes to floor sanders, advice on the different types of sandpaper to use. For more information, check out our website or give us a call. Just remember, when using the equipment, Kennards Hire recommends the use of safety products at all times. Be sure to use the personal protective clothing and equipment for each product hired, which are available at every brand.
Kennards make your job